everybody, and welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. Please share these videos. Let everybody know that they are unique. They are an individual. They are themselves, and they can be themselves. If you're able to contribute as well, that's much appreciated. Thank you. Today is the day of Friday, the day of the Idealist. Idealist vibration, idealist personality, idealist archetype. In the East, spiritually, it would be called being a Raja Yogi, a kingly yogi, kingly spiritual nature. It's all about positivity. And you know, we are in a world where we need more positivity. We don't need more divisiveness. We don't need segregation. We don't need discrimination. We need to be accepting of all. We need to love all. This is what Raja Yogis do. This is what spiritual idealists do. Or you even do it if you have it in relationships, or you have it in your career, or you have it somewhere else in the 8 possible areas of your blueprint. Love for all, no matter what they choose to do, no matter what they choose to eat, no matter who they choose to love, no matter anything. Because everybody's blueprint is unique, meaning they have their own ways of doing them. And they can't be us. So it means we have to come to our own decisions about things. And send out positivity rather than negativity. And send out love. You know, I have some challenges in the spiritual area in my blueprint, and a lot of my life has been about negativity, you know, looking at things in the negative. It never served me, but it was easy to do for some reason. But positivity, for idealists especially, is the way to go. It's the only way to go. So on Fridays especially, we can all have a little bit more positivity. Look at things a little bit more in the ideal, no matter how much things are falling apart around us. It's really love, you know, positivity and love. The Dalai Lama, who is a spiritual idealist or a Raja Yogi, said his religion is love. And probably the best religion is love. All religions are based on love. At the root of every religion, of every brand of spirituality, etc., it's love. So let's go back to that. Let's go back to love instead of hate. Let's go back to love instead of discrimination and divisiveness. You know, as humans, we get conquered when we get divided. So let's not succumb to that. Let's look at the positive, stay positive, and send love out to everyone no matter what they choose to do with their own lives. This is the message of Fridays. All you need is love. All you need is love.